Yeah, here's my little Lancer. Finally back on the road after a year and a half of dealing with the transmission. You can see her LED tail lights that I made up with little rings that come on when I start the car. And of course, Cold War motors, you know. It's an old Mopar, so gotta have that. And yeah, she's far from perfect. I plan on eventually doing all the body work and making her look really nice again. I still need a nice 61 grill, even though it's a 62. But I like the 61 grill better. There's my LED halo headlights and my way too loud cooling fan. I got a lot of work to do on the interior, and there's Bo. Bo. Say hi, Bo. Yep, there's Bo. My old Clifford Performance sticker. It's been on there for 20 years. But I really love this little car. Been a big part of my life for a long time. And yeah, people think that's a V8 when they hear it idling. But it's just a slant 6 with dual flow masters. But she's an awesome little car to drive. Drives great. Disc brakes, 8 3/4 rear end. Those 14-inch reversed wheels. Yeah, she works out nice. I love this car.